Is 0.2 larger than 0.199? At first glance, the number 199 seems so much bigger than 2. But in the world of decimals, looks are deceiving, and this is the most common trap people fall into. A decimal with more digits isn't necessarily larger. So how do we see the truth behind the numbers? There's a golden secret, a simple trick that makes everything clear: the placeholder 0. You can add as many zeros as you want to the end of a decimal without changing its value at all. So 0.5 is the exact same as 0.50, and the same as 0.500. This simple fact is our key. Let's return to our puzzle: 0.2 versus 0.199. To make it a fair fight, we give 0.2 the same number of decimal places. We add 2 placeholder zeros, turning it into 0.200. Now which is bigger, 200 thousandths or 199 thousandths? Suddenly, it's obvious. 200 is bigger, so 0.2 is definitively greater than 0.199. This systematic approach works every time. First, check the whole numbers to the left of the decimal. If they're tied, move to the first decimal place, the tenths. Still tied? Move to the hundredths. You compare from left to right, one column at a time until you find a difference. Think about gymnastics or Olympic swimming. An athlete scores 14.7, another scores 14.667. To find the winner, we compare 14.700 to 14.667. That 7 in the tenths place beats the 6, securing the gold medal. Tiny decimal differences decide champions. So the next time you're stuck, use the placeholder 0 to make it a fair fight. And if all else fails, just think of it as money. Would you rather have 40 cents, which is 0.40, or 4 cents, 0.04? The answer becomes crystal clear: